Too many espresso setups look alike. Start with the Profitec GO for hands-on control, switch for guidance, budget, automation, or finer grinder control. Choose by workflow, counter space, cleanup, and control. For hands-on espresso, I'd start with the Profitec GO Espresso Machine. Buy it if you want durable hardware and meaningful temperature and pressure adjustments as your technique improves. At roughly 30 pounds, it feels planted but isn't easy to move. Its single boiler design also needs a short changeover before steaming, and the wand rewards practice. Skip it if you want a built-in grinder, automatic milk, generous starter gear, or several milk drinks in quick succession. For an easier daily routine, choose the Breville Barista Touch. It's built for beginners and busy households that want grinding, drink guidance, saved settings, and automatic milk in one footprint. You can explore manual settings later, but the narrower portafilter and wider grinder steps restrict fine adjustments. Loose grounds can also collect near the drip tray. Skip it if you want maximum extraction control, a standard-size portafilter, or a tidier dedicated grinder workflow. For budget tinkering, consider the Gaggia Classic Pro. Buy it if you're comfortable learning puck preparation, adding a separate grinder, and building your kit gradually. Its traditional workflow offers more room to develop technique than many basic machines. But temperature consistency across repeated drinks requires attention, and milk texturing has a steeper learning curve. The plastic tamper also deserves replacement. Skip it if you want guided controls, easy refilling, included essentials, or effortless back-to-back drinks. For premium automation, the Breville Jet Espresso Machine handles grinding, dosing, tamping, and milk texturing with on-screen guidance. Buy it when convenience matters more than controlling every variable or replacing components separately. The major catch is its approximately $2,000 price. It's also a substantial roughly 27-pound appliance, though a built-in will helps with repositioning. Skip it if you enjoy manual dosing, want extensive pressure experimentation, or need to keep the initial setup cost restrained. For an entry dedicated grinder, pair a manual machine with the Baratza Sette 30 Conical Burr Grinder. Buy it for fast espresso-focused grinding, time dosing, and more useful control than a general-purpose grinder usually provides. Its stepped settings aren't ideal for tiny adjustments, and the removable arms don't secure a portafilter particularly well. It also claims separate counter space. Skip it if you need one grinder for drip and espresso, reliable hands-free support, or especially precise dialing. For precision dialing, choose the Baratza Sette 270 Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. It's for committed espresso users who change beans, want smaller grind corrections, and value multiple time dose presets. Its secondary stepless adjustment offers finer control, while the portafilter support better suits hands-free dosing. But that range adds decisions many casual users won't need, plus the cost and footprint of another appliance. Skip it if you're new to espresso or would rather fund an all-in-one machine. Quick map, hands-on control, Profitec GO. Guided convenience, Barista Touch. Budget practice, Classic Pro. Premium automation, Jet. Dedicated grinding, Sette 30. Precision dialing, Sette 270. Before buying, measure the counter, decide whether the grinder lives separately, check the water tank access, and be honest about your milk drink volume. Start with the Profitec GO if learning hands-on espresso is the goal. Switch to guided or premium automation when convenience wins. Add the Sette 30 for accessible dedicated grinding, or the Sette 270 for finer dialing. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.